Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video we are going to be programming in AutoCAD. I think this is a problem that most of you found or are finding time to time, is when you have a survey in CAD with all the points being in the same plane. So the idea behind this is to create a personalized script line in which we are going to order AutoCAD to take the number inside the value, inside that text, put it as the set coordinate of the coordinate system in CAD, and once that's done, explode that text and make it a polyline. Once the polyline is done, we reset the XYZ coordinates from CAD to the 0, 0, 0, and we repeat this sequence over and over until we do it on all the elements that we have selected. The thing about this command line or this personalized command in CAD is that it cannot work with multi-line text. So the first thing I did in this video is to explode those texts as a previous step. And then what I start doing, as you can see, is write in the command line of CAD, write all the script lines needed for this process to do it and to repeat it until all the elements are done. Most times, as like BIM managers or people implementing BIM in a company, engineering company, architecture company, we forget about this kind of software, and it's kind of a trend that BIM is Revit or BIM is AutoCAD or BIM is MicroStation, Bentley, wherever, and sometimes we miss this kind of powerful software. Of course, we are not missing AutoCAD, everyone is using it, but there are a lot of other software that are quite powerful for their function. They perform amazingly, and maybe we should push that line and make this software more prominent inside the BIM environment. So that's like inside thought while typing these command lines. And once it's done, you only need to select all those text, type TEE, which is the short for text exploded elevation. That is which these command lines are doing, exploding the text at the elevation. And once you type that, the only thing you need to do is just wait for it to finish, and as you will see at the end of the video, you will get all the points at like a mesh of points, all of them at the real elevation, which is quite useful because we can plug it into Revit, plug it into another software, and get a topography from there. So that's all. See you in the next video.